How to replace the webcam assembly. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the following ZIF connectors on the motherboard: microphone, rear-facing camera, front-facing camera, IR LED. Remove the two 2.5mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the webcam assembly to the display enclosure. Carefully lift the front edge of the webcam assembly and disconnect the ribbon cables from the ZIF connectors on the motherboard. Slide the privacy screen actuator out of the cutout in the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the webcam assembly.